Okay, so this is the new phone mount for the Lexus GS 2013 to 2020. I'm going to show you how to install this. This is what you're going to get in the box. So the first thing you want to do is turn the car on to get the steering wheel out of the way. And then you're going to use your hands to pull this trim piece off the dashboard. It's only held in with clips. So just a firm pull to get it separated. And you don't need to take it out, just leave it there. And then you're going to take the phone mount. So when you install it, you want to make sure this corner wraps around this curved part of the trim right here. And you're going to start it like this. And then just push it so that this clip snaps into place. And then just make sure it's sitting nice and tight. And then you just want to make sure there's no gaps on this side or this side up here. That it's in the middle, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to remove the phone mount. So first thing you want to do is turn the car on, just so it gets the steering wheel out of the way. And then this trim piece right here, I'm just going to pull on that with your hands to get all the clips off. It's only clipped on, there's no screws. And then once you have it separated like this, you're going to push on this corner of the phone mount to take pressure off this clip back here. And then use your finger to pull the clip off the edge. And then you can turn it this way and remove the mount.